Yo, Minecraft diggers, want to scoop up a super dope god shovel in Minecraft 1.215? This 2-minute guide's going to make you a digging legend. If this vibes, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it. Step 1. Fire up Minecraft Java Edition 1.2, 1.5. Pick any world, survival, creative, whatever, or start a new one. I'm jumping into my survival world here. Step 2. If you're in a world, hit ESC to pause, click Open to LAN, switch Allow Cheats to On, and hit Start LAN World. It's done in like 5 seconds. For a new world, just enable Allow Cheats in the Creation menu before you launch. Step 3. Press T to open the chat. That's your command central. Type this beast of a command. Grab it from the description to copy-paste, because it's a bit long. This spawns a diamond shovel with max efficiency and Unbreaking 255. Hit Enter, and boom. The god shovel's in your inventory, glowing with epic power. Step 4. Let's test this bad boy. Find some dirt, sand, or gravel, anywhere works, and start digging. Whoa, you're blasting through blocks like a bulldozer. I cleared a whole desert in seconds, and the durability's still maxed. If the shovel doesn't show, double-check the command or make sure cheats are on. Pro tip, save the command in a note for quick reuse. That's it. You're a digging god. Like, subscribe and drop your favorite thing to dig in the comments. Peace out. See you next time.